Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning at 8:52, and this is your pre-opening comment, and it is video number 455. And I remind you that the futures side of the service is filling up quickly. Only a few spaces left, and if you like the work, please hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate the support. Okay, Asia and Europe are both up. Part of it is the vaccine news, and part of it, especially on the European side, is the continued talks about Brexit. Google had a major outage this morning. In fact, it's still not up. The people could not even get into their Gmail accounts. I tried it. I had no problem, but nonetheless, they're working on it to fix it, but it was a worldwide outage. Tesla said that they are suspending Model S and X production for 18 days. That starts after Christmas. They are asking people to take some unpaid time off, but they are also paying on the average about 50% of what they'd been paid regardless. So not exactly a layoff, but also not exactly great news. Novartis had a failure in their failure to meet the endpoint in their COVID drug. The stock doesn't seem to be bothered by it terribly, but that is the news that was out. On Merger Monday, we have AstraZeneca buying ALXN, ALXN. I think I traded this stock when it was $30. The deal is 175 in cash and stock. It was quite some time ago, and the stock is trading 159.04. That's up 36.60 or 30%. But again, it's cash and stock, so there is a little leeway in there. EA, Electronic Arts, is buying European, actually UK company Codemaster. It's not a huge deal, 1.2 million. Not much action on the stock there. BABA and Tencent are being fined for monopolistic action, and BABA is down about 3.5. I'm not sure that really matters. I'm sure it's a drop in the bucket. And in the space side, we have a test flight failing to reach space for Virgin Galactic, SPCE. The stock on Friday was as high as 34.60, and this morning on the news was as low as 23.02. Last on it is 26.42. That's down 5.75, or about 18%. And they are not the only ones with problems. If you recall, late last week, we had a SpaceX Starliner blow up upon not re-entry, but actually landing on the barge. Okay, chart on the screen is the oil, and it continues to work its way higher. We had this consolidation here above that breakout. We had a new high and a consolidation here, pretty close to above that breakout now, where we've broken out. And so far, we've had two pretty short range days, but down a couple of cents on Friday. And this morning, as you can see, it's up 70 cents. So that's a pretty nice rally here. And I still think that we look like there's really not a whole lot in evidence as far as resistance going all the way back to this 50 to 52.50 area. So we'll see how that holds up. Bitcoin had a big night last night. It was up about 1,200. This morning, the gold is down 13, and that is only about half of what it was down before. It hit 1820, which is an area that in last night's gold comment in the market letter said that I was concerned about it because it looked like it might be rolling over a little, but I still expected support down here at 1800, and I'll probably be a buyer of something in the gold market today or tomorrow. But the big excitement here for us is this almost 11-cent rise in the that gas, coming right up to number one, a downtrend line, and also this blue line. The blue line is the 20-day MA that should give it a little pause. I still think it can get to 280, 285, 290 area, but we have the UNG expiring 9 calls, and they closed around 57 cents, and this morning I have them in at 82 or better on the basis of our 100% up rule. We paid 35, so 70 would be the number, but I assume that there'll be a little bit of speculative value there also. All right, everyone. Hope everyone had a good weekend, and I'll be back later.